News Channel 5 Snow Watch is sponsored by Tennessee Stars, Trevecca Nazarene University, and Hiller Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical.
And you can see at the bottom of your screen, some schools are closed today. Others have already decided to close for tomorrow. And I just got word from a good friend of mine that they are going to announce closings for their county right at noon.
All right, so that map will be coverall tomorrow.
Yeah, because everybody's looking at winter weather, and that winter storm watch we had yesterday has now been upgraded to a winter storm warning starting at 3 o'clock tomorrow. So if you need to get out, get groceries, get your medication, have a plan in place, do it today.
Yeah, so right now, quiet weather over the area with clear skies over the Mid-South last night that allow those temperatures to really bottom out. A lot of you are in the teens right now. Cold, give the car a little extra time to warm up and defrost. Well, sunshine should allow that temperature here in Nashville to make it up to about 36, so a little bit above freezing for you today. Mid-20s tonight, and then area of snow moving in for tomorrow. On average, we'll say 3 to 6 inches of snow. Some of the southern counties could be a little bit more, but part of that will determine just, where we stay on the temperature structure. If you get a little bit more of a winter mix versus just all snow, that could cut into some snow amounts, but looks like a big snow event on the way for the Mid-South. Today, very cold, frosty for the beginning of the day. As we head into the afternoon, highs hitting the mid to upper 30s. So yeah, we'll get a little bit above the freezing mark for you later today. Now, the winter storm warning for all of our area for tomorrow. Right now, though, all quiet with Sky 5 Live, taking off from Smyrna a moment ago. Can already make out the lights of the city skyline in Nashville. Meanwhile, from Cookeville, you are 17 degrees. So this is the map. Again, overnight, the winter storm watch upgraded to a winter storm warning for the mid-state and for South Central Kentucky. It will start tomorrow at different times and then ending for now at daybreak on Saturday morning. But you can see that we've got a lot of the country. There are about 50 million Americans right now that are under winter weather alerts, and that goes all the way back down into the Lone Star State. You can start to see a little bit of snow in the northern part of the Texas area. That combined with this area right here, which is still the developing area of low pressure that will track across the Southland and to help spread more of that moisture back here. So that gets in here for us late tonight. All quiet during the day today, Nikki D.
Quiet and cold. That's how we've been, and that's where we're going. But maybe you are going to be leaving. Here's a live look for you. We're looking B&A thanks to Sky 5. They are up and live this morning. Please be patient, though, because, of course, with that large winter storm system, as Leland pointed out, already seeing some issues and delays in parts of Texas. You know it is quite a domino effect. For some of you, you're rejoicing. Others are going, oh, please, no. Well, we're getting snow regardless. Tomorrow is going to be quite covered up, especially going into the late morning, continuing into the afternoon. So today is your day to prep. It's still going to be very cold. We'll briefly get above freezing, but the majority of our day will be spent below freezing. We'll have some sunshine, and then this evening, here's where the clouds start to move in. Now, please don't take this as the gospel. It's a good indication of the timing, but it's still a model run. This particular model has snowfall moving in around 2 a.m. areas off to our far west, and then continue to spread its way all across throughout the morning and going into the afternoon. As we make our way closer into lunchtime, though, some models are indicating we could get a little bit of warm air trying to move in along the Alabama-Tennessee state line. If that happens, we would have that transition from snow into wintering mix, particularly a little bit of sleet, and that would alter your snowfall totals because it's no longer snow, it's more sleet, and that's going to make things more compact. Regardless, we're all going to get the same amount of moisture, but it's all about the type that it will move in. Then we'll get more of that snow right on the flip side of it. And because temperatures are going to stay so cold for so long, it's going to be sticking around. We're looking 3 to 6 inches on average, but of course, some locations will have upwards of 7, possibly even 7.5. Right along our Alabama-Tennessee state line, that's going to be where we're going to watch. Will we see that surplus, or will it be degraded because of some of that sleet? And you'll notice with these model runs, don't get too married to them, but it is fun to pick out your area and just see what the different systems are saying. But all of them, they're bringing in some snow. Your 7-day forecast, highs today briefly hitting 36. Tomorrow, messy from start to finish. We will have snow showers on and off throughout the day. A few lingering snow showers on Saturday, the high of 35. So melting will be limited and it will refreeze into black ice.
Definitely so. Then you'll know, look at that, Sunday morning, 19, 37 Sunday afternoon. Keeping an eye on the system for Monday, but then notice the cold air continuing. 30 on Tuesday, 34 Wednesday. Temperatures for the end of the 7-day at night still in the teens.